Life depends on molecules, and oxygen is at the heart of it. I am Mark from Mentivia. Welcome to this essential discussion on the key molecules that form the very fabric of life and the indispensable role that oxygen plays in sustaining it. Every living organism, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, relies on a specific set of molecules to carry out its biological functions. These molecules are not just random assortments of atoms, they are precisely structured to perform vital tasks, enabling growth, energy production, and the transmission of genetic information. Oxygen, in particular, is central to the process of cellular respiration, allowing organisms to convert nutrients into usable energy. Without it, the complex machinery of life would grind to a halt. Among the most crucial are water, the universal solvent, and simple sugars like glucose, which serve as the primary fuel. Then there's ATP, the energy currency of the cell, and carbon dioxide, a key player in both respiration and photosynthesis. These molecules, along with the larger macromolecules like proteins and nucleic acids, are the fundamental components driving all life processes. Now let's turn our attention to cellular respiration, the metabolic pathway that converts nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. This remarkable process is how cells extract energy from the food we eat, powering everything from muscle contraction to brain activity. It's a complex series of reactions, but at its core, it's about energy conversion. Cellular respiration can occur in two main ways: aerobically, meaning in the presence of oxygen, or anaerobically without oxygen. The presence or absence of oxygen dramatically changes the efficiency and outcome of energy production. Oxygen, often overlooked, is absolutely vital for aerobic cellular respiration. It's not just something we breathe, it's a critical participant in the final and most productive stage of energy generation. In aerobic respiration, oxygen acts as the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain. Imagine a relay race where electrons are passed from one molecule to the next. This transfer releases energy, which is used to pump protons and ultimately generate a large amount of ATP. Oxygen waits at the finish line, ready to accept these electrons along with protons to form water. This crucial step clears the pathway, allowing the entire chain to continue functioning efficiently. Without oxygen, the electron transport chain grinds to a halt. The electrons have nowhere to go, and the entire process of efficient ATP production ceases. This forces cells to rely on less efficient anaerobic pathways like fermentation, which produce far less ATP and can lead to the buildup of waste products like lactic acid. This is why oxygen deprivation is so dangerous for aerobic organisms. In summary, key biological molecules like water, glucose, and ATP are fundamental to life. And oxygen's role as the final electron acceptor in aerobic cellular respiration is paramount. It ensures the continuous and efficient production of the vast majority of ATP, providing the energy necessary for nearly all life processes. Without oxygen, complex life as we know it would simply not be possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep expanding your knowledge, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's the easiest way to stay connected and never miss new content. For even more free educational resources, head over to mentivia.com, your hub for videos, e-learnings, and articles across science, history, and beyond.